So, Paul, obviously disappointing result last week. I didn't get a chance to speak to you last week after last week's game, but happy that we've got the 3 points against Penrhyncoch today.
Most definitely. I thought last week it was 20 minutes we started well. They scored, and then they scored again at half time. And for that sort of like next 50 minutes of a football match, it was men against boys. We were all over the place. We didn't press properly. We didn't work hard enough, and we didn't do the basics right. And that from day one is exactly what I'd brought into the club. From the minute I walked in here, they were the requirements to work hard as a group, be together and do the basics right. And I've always said, if you don't do that, you'll lose. And we did. And for the last 20 minutes, we changed it around a little bit. And that's what we pretty much based today on, that last 20 minutes, because I thought we competed. And I know we were 5-0 down, but, the lads that went on the park, they did well. And that shape, it looked good. So today we went with that shape, offering us the opportunity when we went forward to make us look like a 3-5-2. And it worked. And I thought for the first 10-15 minutes, we really took the game to them. And we got the breakthrough, didn't we? And then obviously we got the second goal. It makes it look a lot easier then. And then obviously we've missed a penalty. We've got a problem with penalties at the minute. Unless we're in a penalty shootout, we seem to score all them. But we went on and we looked comfortable. 2-0 is always a funny scoreline, but I thought today was a good performance from quite a few lads that have been out of form, let's say. Yeah. But as a team, I was pleased with that performance overall.
Disappointed to concede late?
You're always disappointed to concede a goal, yeah. Ronnie's probably more disappointed than I am. I think we're both just happy to get 3 points. Yeah. We've had a bit of a knock.
Spell, isn't it?
Yeah, we've played well in some games and not got the points. The 2 draws that we've had, we should have won. We should have beaten Denby and lost it 2-1. We dominated that second half against them. And then the games that we have lost, Newtown, Airbus, we've deserved to lose. So we've been on a bit of a bad run, and it's nice to get 3 points in the league because it's important, for us as a group, and it's important for the supporters as well, because we had such a good time last year. It can be overshadowed really quickly.
Yeah.
And one of the things that I don't like is when we lose and we've not worked hard. If you work hard and you play with pride of the shirt, then
I don't think anyone will ever question that then.
No, it's when you don't. And there's been a couple of games where it's looked like we haven't. And today was important that we did.
Talk about your 2 goal scorers. So obviously Jack came with a great reputation. The ball at his feet is fantastic. He got 2 goals for you today. Yeah. I bet he's absolutely kicking himself about that penalty.
Yeah. I think with Jack, he's one of those instinct players, isn't he? Mm-hmm. Don't give him time and he'll put it in the back of the net. Give him time and he seems to wonder what I've got to do. Yeah. But you know what? It's great that he scored 2 goals. I'm not really bothered that he's missed a penalty. If it would have been in a situation where it's going to cost us, then yeah. But he scored the goals and he needed them. Yeah. And him and DeMace had worked hard in that first half. And DeMace again put himself in a good position. Should have scored. He's had 2 headers in the second half. Should have scored. We've got to be more clinical. That's what this league's about. The top teams are clinical, and if you're not clinical, then you won't win the games. So defensively, we looked, as well as we have done. Yeah. So I'm pleased with that. Mo's come in today and done well. So overall, it was good to get the win. Good to get the 3 points, which was. That's what you aim to do, innit? Every week. The manner in which we played, you can question in areas, and I'm sure people will. But overall, it's about winning football matches, and we've won. Yeah. So give the lads a pat on the back for that. And we move on. We've got Flint next week.
One last one, Lewis. So Lewis has obviously bided his time. Yeah. And he's been patient. Yeah. And he got the chance today, and he's repaid you with a goal. Yeah. Super pleased about that.
Yeah. And he's worked hard.
Yeah.
He's worked hard. With Lewis, he's stepped up a level, which 1 or 2 of the lads have done. But we always said when we first brought him into the club, after we played Connors Quay Town, our very first game last season, we knew what he could give us. And he's a hard-working, football player. He's and I don't want to put the lad down, but he knows himself of his limitations.
He said that to me walking off the pitch. He prides himself on the fact that he's hard working. He knows that there's more technically gifted players than himself, but he will work his socks off.
Exactly that, and that's why he went in today. Because we wanted a hard working performance and get us over the line. So, fair play to the lad. He's gone in, he's put his shirt on and he's worked hard. And you know what? It's not just about him. Everyone has to do that, whether they start, whether they don't, come off the bench. And even the ones that haven't taken part today, in today's game, you are a part of that squad. And you turn up for training on Wednesday or Thursday, whichever one we're going to do. And you put maximum effort in because you might start the following Saturday. So it's not about getting lips down, it's about grafting, and doing the right things for the club and for the supporters as well as yourself. Thank you very much.